guys, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bonjour à tous. It's your girl Nadia, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the handheld sewing machine. It's written Singer, but all of these handwritings are Turkish, so let's just say that this handheld sewing machine came from Turkey. And without any further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna have someone translate some of the words because I learned Turkish like a long time ago and I forgot everything. Wow, it really looks like this, and sadly the manual is in Turkish, fully in Turkish. I don't know whether there's one in French or English. This is so sad, but okay. Maybe I'm gonna have my friend translate it, whether she still remembers it or not, but yeah. Okay. But according to my own interpretation, I think we should insert battery here, but I don't know which type of battery, whether it's A2 or A3. I should really see it again inside, and the rest of them I still don't understand. Maybe I should use Google or have someone translate it. Yeah. It's here. According to the manual, we need like 4 A2 batteries like this. And these are some threads and needles, but I don't know what kind of thread is this. And then they have put the white one here, and then this one is blue, black, I don't know, it's kind of tangled, the blue one on the black. And then there's red. Wow, I don't know whether there's battery included already or not, because I have so very little A2 batteries, because I use most of my A2 batteries for my shaving tool, I mean mini razor. Okay, so this is like a sample of the cloth. This is how to lock and unlock the machine, but I don't know which one's locked and which one's unlocked. I mean, it's dangerous when it's unlocked and then you try to put something here. And let's see. Yes, we need 4 A2 batteries in here. So yeah, so batteries not included when at the time I purchased it. This is kind of expensive, but I don't know whether it will work. I'm gonna have to see the tutorial again about this handheld sewing machine, and I'm gonna, I don't know how to say that. Oh wow. I want to see whether this works, because I had one in Indonesia that looks like agrafers. I don't know what to say, how to call that, staples, I don't know in English, but I had to like do it manually, the one that looks like staples, and then the stitches didn't really work. So I'm gonna test this handheld sewing machine, and I really hope this one will work. Okay guys, so I've been testing this sewing machine. Wait, it's not visible in my camera, which is because it's way too close using my tablet. And here is the battery compartment for A2 batteries, and then this is the switch off on the right, and then you switch on to the left. I changed the thread into the black thread, and then I struggled to put everything inside. And apparently after I tested once, this is how I got. What a real struggle to use this machine. It's not really a straight stitch, but I managed to end this part where I don't know how to say that in English actually, but yeah, intinya aku matiin, maaf ya campur Indonesia Inggris, aku matiin jahitannya di sini. I end the stitch here with a lot of I don't know, loop. So yeah, and this is what I got for the first test, and apparently I kind of regret to test it in a very fabulous bag I've ever had. So I feel like, I don't know, just gonna stitch it maybe later on when I have the real big sewing machine in Indonesia. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna use this sewing machine for like other purposes, such as I don't know, maybe another stuff that don't necessarily need a straight stitch. So yeah, but so far it really worked, and I think I would say 5 out of 10 to those of you who really were new to this, but maybe another YouTuber or any creator can help me with this for next time. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video, and bye for now. I really hope that this thing will be useful in the future. I don't know. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.